In this video, you will see the top 10 fastest animals in the world. Let's go. Number 10. The kangaroo, an iconic Australian marsupial with a top speed of 44 mph or 71 km/h. Physical characteristics. Kangaroos are known for their powerful hind legs, long tails, and distinctive pouches. They can grow up to 6 feet tall and weigh up to 200 pounds. Their unique body structure allows them to cover great distances with minimal energy expenditure. Found throughout Australia, kangaroos inhabit a variety of environments from forests to grasslands. They are herbivores, feeding on grass, leaves, and tree bark. Kangaroos are social animals, often seen in groups called mobs. While not the fastest on our list, kangaroos are incredibly efficient hoppers. Their unique locomotion allows them to reach speeds of up to 44 mph in short bursts. Interestingly, they use their tail as a counterbalance and additional limb when hopping. At low speeds, they can even use their tail as a fifth leg when walking. Their elastic tendons store energy with each hop, making their movement highly energy efficient. Did you know that a kangaroo can't hop backwards? This is why the kangaroo is featured on the Australian coat of arms, symbolizing a nation always moving forward. Also, despite their speed on land, kangaroos are excellent swimmers and will often flee to water if threatened. While impressive, the kangaroo's speed is just the beginning of our list. Let's hop over to our next speedster, which is more than 10 mph faster. Number 9. Horse. 55 mph, 88 km/h. Galloping into the 9th spot on our list is the majestic horse, capable of reaching speeds up to 55 km or 88 km/h. Horses are large, powerful mammals with long legs, muscular bodies, and flowing manes and tails. Their speed comes from several adaptations: long, sturdy legs with strong muscles, large lungs for efficient oxygen intake, and a unique leg structure that allows for a suspended gallop. This galloping gait lets all 4 feet leave the ground simultaneously, propelling the horse forward at high speeds. While the average horse runs at about 30 mph, the fastest recorded speed of a horse was set by a thoroughbred named Winning Brew, who reached 43.97 mph in over a short distance. However, some breeds like the American Quarter Horse can reach speeds up to 55 mph in short bursts. It's worth noting that horses can maintain faster speeds over longer distances compared to many other animals. For instance, they can gallop at 25-30 mph for up to 2 miles. Horses are found all over the world in various habitats, from grasslands to mountains. They are herbivores, primarily grazing on grass. In the wild, horses live in herds, and their speed is crucial for evading predators. Here's an interesting fact. A horse's speed can be attributed in part to its heart. A horse's heart can weigh up to 10 pounds and pump 75 gallons of blood per minute during intense exercise. This allows for superior oxygen delivery to muscles, enabling sustained high-speed running. Lion. 50 mph, 80 km/h. Roaring into the 8th position on our list is the king of the jungle, the lion, with a top speed of 50 mph or 80 km/h. Lions are large cats, with males weighing up to 550 pounds and females up to 400 pounds. They have muscular bodies, powerful legs, and iconic manes in males. Their retractable claws provide traction for quick acceleration, while their flexible spine allows for long strides when running. While lions can reach speeds of 50 mph, they typically hunt at around 35 km/h. These big cats are built for short, intense bursts of speed rather than long-distance running. They use their speed primarily for hunting, often employing an ambush strategy. Lions can accelerate from 0 to 40 mph in just a few strides, making them formidable predators. However, they can only maintain their top speed for about 100-200 meters before tiring. Lions primarily inhabit grasslands and savannas in sub-Saharan Africa, with a small population in India's Gir forest. They are the only truly social cats, living in groups called prides. This social structure plays a crucial role in their hunting strategies, often involving coordinated chases to bring down prey. Here's an intriguing fact. Despite their impressive speed, lions actually spend up to 20 hours a day resting or sleeping. Their bursts of speed are reserved for hunting, which typically occurs at dawn or dusk. Also, while lions are often called king of the jungle, they rarely live in actual jungles, preferring open areas where their speed can be put to good use. Number 7. Greyhound dog. 45 mph, 72 km/h. Sprinting into the 7th spot is man's best friend, the greyhound, capable of reaching speeds up to 45 km or 72 kilometers per hour. Greyhounds are known for their sleek aerodynamic build. They have a narrow, streamlined body, deep chest, flexible spine, and long, powerful legs. Their unique body shape, with a small waist and large thighs, contributes to their incredible speed. Greyhounds also have a high percentage of fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are crucial for quick acceleration and high-speed running. Greyhounds are the fastest dogs in the world, capable of accelerating to 45 km/h in just 6 strides. They use a double suspension gallop, where all 4 feet are off the ground twice in each stride cycle. This running style allows them to cover up to 20 feet in a single stride. While they can reach their top speed quickly, they're built for sprinting rather than endurance, typically maintaining this speed for only about 250–300 yards. Originally bred for coursing game, greyhounds have been domesticated for thousands of years. Today, they're popular both as racing dogs and household pets. Despite their high-energy reputation, greyhounds are often calm and gentle when not running, earning them the nickname 40 mph couch potato. Here's a fascinating fact. Greyhounds have exceptional eyesight, with a 270-degree field of vision compared to the human 180 degrees. This wide field of view helps them spot moving objects at great distances, a trait that was valuable in their original hunting role. Also, contrary to popular belief, greyhounds come in a variety of colors and patterns, not just grey. Number 6. Hare rabbit. 45 mph, 72 kilometers per hour. Hopping into 6th place, we have the hare, often confused with its cousin the rabbit, reaching speeds of up to 45 mph or 72 kilometers per hour. Hares are larger than rabbits, with longer ears and powerful hind legs. Their large feet are equipped with strong claws, providing excellent traction for quick starts and turns. Hares have a lean, muscular body with a flexible spine, allowing for powerful leaps. Their eyes are positioned high on the sides of their head, giving them nearly 360-degree vision, crucial for spotting predators. Hares can reach their top speed of 45 mph in just a few seconds, making them one of the fastest animals over short distances. They use a unique running style called stotting or pronking, where all 4 feet leave the ground simultaneously. This allows them to change direction mid-air, making them incredibly agile. Hares can maintain high speeds for longer distances than many predators, often using a zigzag pattern to evade capture. Hares are found in a variety of habitats across North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Unlike rabbits, they don't dig burrows, but instead create shallow depressions in the ground called forms for resting. They are mainly nocturnal and solitary, relying on their speed and camouflage for survival. Here's an intriguing fact. Hares are born with fur and open eyes, ready to run within a few minutes of birth. This is unlike rabbits, which are born hairless and blind. Also, the term mad as a March hare comes from the spring mating behavior of hares, where they can be seen boxing and leaping in fields, behaviors once thought to be signs of madness. Number 5. Ostrich. 60 mph, 96 kilometers per hour. Sprinting into 5th place is the ostrich, the fastest bird on land, capable of reaching speeds up to 60 mph or 96 kilometers per hour. Ostriches are the largest living birds, standing up to 9 feet tall and weighing up to 350 pounds. Despite their size, they're built for speed with long, powerful legs, each ending in just 2 toes, an adaptation that enhances their running efficiency. Their wings, while flightless, help with balance and changing direction during high-speed runs. Ostriches also have a long, flexible neck that acts as a counterbalance when running. Ostriches can maintain a speed of 30–37 mph for up to 10 miles, making them excellent distance runners. At top speed, they can cover up to 16 feet in a single stride. Speed is aided by a unique limb structure. Each step stretches and recoils tendons in their legs, storing and releasing energy like a spring. This makes their running incredibly energy efficient. Interestingly, ostriches are the only birds to have this type of running mechanism. Native to Africa, ostriches inhabit savannas, grasslands, and semi-arid regions. They are herbivores, feeding on plants, roots, and seeds. Ostriches live in small herds and use their speed not only to escape predators, but also in mating displays and territorial disputes. Here's a fascinating fact. Contrary to popular belief, ostriches don't bury their heads in the sand when threatened. This myth likely originated from their behavior of laying their head and neck flat on the ground when trying to become less visible to predators. Also, an ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain and is the largest eye of any land animal. Number 4. Springbok. 55 mph, 89 km/h. Leaping into fourth place is the springbok, a medium-sized antelope from southern Africa, capable of reaching speeds up to 55 km or 89 km/h. Springboks are known for their slender, aerodynamic build. They typically stand about 30 inches tall at the shoulder and weigh between 60 to 100 pounds. Their bodies are designed for speed and agility, with long, slim legs and a lean, muscular frame. Springboks have distinctive markings, including a white face with a dark stripe running from the eyes to the mouth, a light brown coat, and a white underbelly. While their top speed of 55 mph is impressive, what truly sets springboks apart is their unique jumping behavior called pronking or stotting. When pronking, springboks can leap up to 13 feet into the air. This behavior, combined with their speed, makes them incredibly difficult for predators to catch. Springboks can also sustain speeds of around 30 mph for long distances, allowing them to outrun many predators in a chase. Springboks inhabit the dry, open plains of southern Africa. The name springbok comes from the Afrikaans words spring, meaning jump, and bok, meaning antelope or goat. Also, springboks played a significant role in South African culture and were once the symbol and nickname of the South African national rugby team before being replaced by the Protea flower. Cheetah, 70 mph, 113 km/h. The cheetah sprints into third place on our list, holding the title of fastest land animal with a top speed of 70 mph or 113 km/h. Cheetahs are built for speed, with a slender, aerodynamic body, long legs, and a flexible spine that allows for greater stride length. They typically weigh between 46 to 160 pounds and stand about 30 inches tall at the shoulder. Their most distinctive features are the black tear-like streaks running from their eyes to their mouth, which help reduce glare from the sun. What truly sets cheetahs apart is their acceleration. They can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 3 seconds, faster than most sports cars. However, they can only maintain their top speed for about 300 yards before needing to rest. Cheetahs have several unique adaptations for speed, including semi-retractable claws that provide traction like cleats, and a long tail that acts as a rudder for quick turns. Cheetahs primarily inhabit open grasslands and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa, with a small population in Iran. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs are active during the day, using their incredible speed to chase down prey like gazelles and impalas. They're also the only big cats that can't roar, instead communicating through chirps, purrs, and high-pitched yelps. An interesting fact about cheetahs is that they have incredibly low genetic diversity due to a population bottleneck that occurred around 10,000 years ago. This lack of genetic variation makes them more susceptible to diseases and environmental changes, contributing to their vulnerable conservation status. Number 2. Mexican free-tailed bat. 100 mph, 161 km/h. The Mexican free-tailed bat soars into second place on our list, with an impressive top speed of 100 mph or 161 km/h. These small bats, also known as Brazilian free-tailed bats, typically weigh only about half an ounce and have a wingspan of about 11 to 13 inches. Their bodies are streamlined for flight, with narrow wings and short, dense fur. As their name suggests, their tail extends beyond the edge of their tail membrane, which is unusual among bats. The Mexican free-tailed bat's incredible speed was only recently discovered. They achieve this velocity in short bursts while diving, making them the fastest flying animals in the world when in a dive. In level flight, they typically cruise at speeds of 60-70 mph, which is still remarkably fast for their size. These bats are found throughout the Americas, from the southern United States to central Chile and Argentina. They roost in large colonies, often in caves, abandoned buildings, or under bridges. The Bracken Cave in Texas is home to the largest known bat colony in the world, with over 15 million Mexican free-tailed bats. Mexican free-tailed bats are insectivores and play a crucial role in pest control. A colony can consume tons of insects each night, including many agricultural pests. This makes them extremely valuable to farmers and ecosystems. An intriguing fact about these bats is their impressive migratory behavior. Some populations migrate up to 1,000 miles each way between their summer and winter roosts. Their high-speed flight abilities likely evolved to aid in these long-distance migrations and efficient foraging. Number 1, it is the fastest animal in the world. Golden eagle, 200 miles per hour. 322 kilometers per hour. The golden eagle claims the top spot on our list of fastest animals, with a diving speed of up to 200 miles per hour, 322 kilometers per hour. Golden eagles are one of the largest birds of prey in North America, with a wingspan that can reach up to 7.5 feet. They typically weigh between 6 to 15 pounds, with females being larger than males. These majestic birds are known for their dark brown plumage and the golden brown feathers on their head and neck, which give them their name. While their level flight speed is around 28-32 meters, it's their diving speed that puts them at the top of our list. When diving to catch prey or during courtship displays, golden eagles can reach speeds of up to 200 mph. This incredible speed is achieved through a combination of gravity and powerful wing beats. Golden eagles are found across the Northern Hemisphere, including North America, Europe, and Asia. They prefer open and semi-open areas, often in mountainous regions, grasslands, or deserts. These birds are apex predators, feeding on a variety of prey from small mammals like rabbits to larger animals like deer. These eagles have excellent eyesight, estimated to be up to 8 times sharper than that of humans, allowing them to spot prey from great distances. They're also known for their impressive hunting skills, sometimes hunting in pairs to take down larger prey. An interesting fact about golden eagles is their long lifespan and monogamous mating habits. In the wild, they can live up to 30 years and often mate for life. Their nests, called eyries, are massive structures that can weigh up to a ton and be used for multiple years. It's worth noting that while the golden eagle is incredibly fast, some sources cite the peregrine falcon as having an even faster diving speed. However, for the purposes of this list, we're focusing on the animals you've provided. This concludes our list of the top 10 fastest animals in the world. Each of these creatures showcases nature's incredible diversity and the amazing adaptations that allow for such impressive speeds.